Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about the types of trials in Indian legal system. The trial of the accused in the Indian criminal law is divided through the punishments of the said committed offences. The trial of the accused for the offence committed by him is divided into four types. First is session trial. If the offence committed is punishable with more than 7 years of imprisonment or life imprisonment or death, the trial is to be concluded in a session court after being committed or forwarded to the court by a magistrate. Warrant trial talks about warrant case includes offences punishable with the death penalty and imprisonment of life and imprisonment excluding 2 years. Even a trial in a warrant case being either by filing an FIR in a police station or by filing it before a magistrate. In summon trial, if the offence committed is punishable with less than 2 years of imprisonment, it is taken as a summons case. In respect of these offences, it is not necessary to frame charges. Summon is issued by the magistrate to the accused, and section 204 1A of CRPC 1973 talks about summon case means a case relating to an offence not being a warrant case. The procedure to deal with such matter provided in section 251 to 259 of CRPC 1973, which is not a serious formal as other trials. And session trial warrant case instituted on the police report and warrant cases instituted otherwise than on police report. Summary trial talks about those trials in which cases are disposed of speedily with a simply procedure to follow, and recording of such trial are done summarily. In this trial, only small cases are taken in hand and complicated cases are reserved for summon or warrant trials. Legal provisions of summary trial are given under section 260 to 265 of CRPC. Thank you all. If any of the doubts regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments.